Hey guys, welcome back to PD110. It's hard to believe that this is our last week of book work, so to speak, and then we'll gear up for a final exam. And so we've completed chapters 1 through 9 now, and we're moving towards chapters 10 and 11, and we're actually going to squeeze some of chapter 13 in there. We're just going to run out of time. I won't have a chance to get to that, but you could complete the lab. Just like the other labs, it's really just a self-assessment. So this week we have preventing cardiovascular disease. We understand what a concern that is for society today. So many factors come into play there. Environmental factors such as heredity, but certainly factors like diet and exercise. And so hopefully through the duration of this course, you've been able to pick up on some knowledge and some behavior modification techniques that will help prevent cardiovascular disease, as well as help you manage stress. And really these two go hand in hand. And so this week it's business as usual, with the exception of you do have 2 chapters to complete for the lab, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. So you've got your checklist, your intro video, your PowerPoint file, the quiz, the labs, and the physical activity monitoring report. And I'll need to hide this one. And then for stress management, let me make it clear. People get worked up about stress, and sometimes we feel like we shouldn't be stressed. You can't eliminate stress from your life. There's a couple keys here. For one, understanding how to manage your stress. And what really is important there with that is understanding the triggers, what's causing stress, and then how you respond. How do you cope to overcome that stressor? Okay, and so the same with this chapter, your checklist, your video, your PowerPoint, your quiz, and your lab for chapter 11. And that'll be it. After this week, you'll have your final exam due on July 22nd. Guys, we've had a great summer session. I told you from day one it would go quickly, which it has. And just remember to keep an eye on all of your checklists. You can go back and complete anything that's missing. So if you have any whites, I hope yours doesn't look like mine, go back and fill everything in. And if you do that, let's say it was an old physical activity monitoring report, just shoot me an email and let me know. Otherwise, things like quizzes, they update automatically. Okay? All right, guys, as I said, I hope you had a great 4th of July, a week off, and I look forward to finishing the semester strong. Take care.